Hello, good morning. Good morning. Happy blessed Saturday morning, everyone. Shout out to all of you guys, especially to those who always supporting me here in my small YouTube channel, and to those supporting me for my silent live and live for my WH. Big thanks to all of you guys. Uh, sorry. Sometimes I can't come to your live because I was very sick for a long time now, almost 1 month, guys. And until now, I'm not yet okay. But at least thanks God, feeling better now. So this is our neighbor villa. Actually, my house there. My house is there. My house. Behind that building's my house. And I just stand here to watch the pigeons. Ayan no, ang daming pigeons. Hindi ako makalapit. Pag lumapit kasi ako, tatakbo sila. So, thank you mga sisikoy. Sisikoy Nana, Honey YPC, thank you. Pasensya na sisikoy. Pinagbawal kasi muna ako ng sa cellphone, especially sa parang may radiation daw yata. Para akong naapektuhan, parang may radiation daw yung ewan ko yung sabi ng doktor. So, tinutupad ko lang yon. Pero, nag-upload din ako para lang sa WH ko. Pero parang hindi kaya ng pag-appeal ko ng December 9, Sisikoy Nana, parang walang pag-asa pa. Hindi ko alam kung may chance pa ako na mag-ipon ng WH ko sa susunod pag na-complete ko na. Thank you so much. Sisikoy Nana, Honey YTC, Sisikoy Agbiag Vlog at Konse, Sisikoy Lauren Director, at sa lahat ng mga sisikoy at sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa akin. Thank you. Yami pa TV, lagi kitang nakikita sa silent live ko. Thank you. Well Satan, thank you so much, sir. And maraming salamat sa inyo, guys. Thank you to Kat Fitri all the way from Indonesia. Assalamualaikum sister, terima kasih for supporting me also. Sorry I can support this time last 2 months because I was very sick, guys. Until now I'm not yet okay, but at least I feel better now. Thank you so much, guys. I love you all. And I would like also to thank Nel John Vlog anak at sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas, Chard anak. Ingo, ingat kayo lagi dyan. Aking kapatid sa Kuwait City, Juliet and Vlog, thank you so much sis sa support. At sa Kinalo Rhea, basang sana matanggap nyo na yung padala ko dyan. Ingat kayo lagi dyan sa Pilipinas, lalo na ang gulo-gulo na ang gobyerno natin. At sana ay okay ang lahat. Sana maging okay na ang government natin. Sana wag nang magkagulo. At sana magkasundo-sundo na lang lahat. Ipag-pray natin ang ating bansang Pilipinas. Maraming salamat. Happy blessed Saturday. Everyone, thanks. And may God bless us all. Rose the Melody Vlog. Doon ang bahay ko, guys, likod dyan. So now, I had to go to the park now. punta na ako sa park guys. Thank you.